Red tide out here at Clearwater. It's a beautiful sunset. There's dead fish though. And the smell is making, there's like a cough. It's making you cough and sneeze. It's a red tide, they call it. But there's dead fish I see washing up on the shore. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunset. Clearwater, Florida. Got me coughing though.